Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPWR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Very eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but this one was in the headlines, well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on it going into Friday. So let's map out a couple of key levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So from a support side of things, the main level to watch going forward is right down there at $8.90, which is essentially where, actually let's adjust this down further to that gap close location, because that's definitely going to be an area. Gap closes are always popular locations to watch, and that's what 880 is representing. So you can see in the history of the chart, 880 was that area of resistance. Then the price actually gapped up above it, hence creating this little gap here right there. So like I said, a lot of people like to watch the gap fill type scenarios. So 880, anyway, look at it, definitely going to be a very important level of support and one of those levels that you would want to see hold for the main reason. I'm not saying this will occur, but for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 880 and then just continue on down at that point, you would quite literally have the price right back to where it was from literally several weeks ago. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength or true power. Now, on the flip side of things, and I'll zoom back in here a little bit, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, in any sort of immediate situation where there's a bounce, first key level to watch is that pink line there, which on my chart represents the very well-known 200 period moving average, and that is currently valued at $9.18. So like I said, in the very near term, 918, that first key level of resistance. If that can be broken, then the next key level you would want to keep an eye on is that purple line up there, the 50 period moving average, currently valued at $9.78. But like I said, before you put really any focus on the 50 period, price first has to prove itself in the near term by breaking above that 200 period moving average. So still one day left this week. Let's see how Friday plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.